Good morning, my friends. Well, I feel very hot. I think you too. You are right? Okay. This video I will talk about two difficult sounds in English. The first consonant sound. This unvoiced sound. Example: chance, chance. Don't take any chances. Don't take any chances. Church, church, church. Let's go to the church. Let's go to the church. Change, change, change. If you change, everything will change for you. If you change, everything will change for you. The consonant sound. J, 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 j. Joke, joke. Are you joking me? Are you joking me? Bridge, bridge, bridge. The bridge is over the river. Magic, magic. There is no magic. It's practice. There is no magic. It's practice. It's practice. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye and have a nice day.